How to convert Excel XLSX to PDF programmatically using C#.net. Here we start with a newly created Microsoft Excel spreadsheet file that includes multiple worksheets ready to be loaded into our .NET application and converted to a PDF programmatically. In a new console application, we start by adding the proper using statements to import the .NET Excel API document solutions for Excel downloaded from NuGet. Then we apply our API key to license the workbooks created within our application. Next, we create a new Excel workbook document object and load in the Excel document we created earlier. Lastly, we utilize the save method to convert the Excel workbook to a PDF file by specifying .pdf in the file name. Now, we build and run our application. The new PDF file has been generated inside the bin debug folder path since we ran the application in debug mode. Here we can see the XLSX file now converted to PDF. Notice each worksheet inside our XLSX file has been converted to a separate page within the newly generated PDF file. Download a trial of document solutions for Excel today at developer.meshias.com.